Did you know that just one food can be the key to protecting your kidneys? You're the right place to learn how to improve your kidney health. This vegetable that's packed with nutrients supports kidney function and can help prevent kidney problems. What's this incredible food? Today, we'll reveal the #1 best food for your kidneys, plus 2 extra powerful foods to keep your kidneys even healthier. Welcome to Levitas. The kidneys are small but powerful organs that play an essential role in maintaining your body's health. These bean-shaped organs located on either side of your spine are responsible for filtering waste and excess fluids from your blood. They produce urine, which helps eliminate these wastes. But the kidneys do much more than that. They also regulate your body's electrolyte balance by controlling levels of sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, ensuring your muscles, heart, and nerves function properly. In addition, your kidneys play a vital role in maintaining blood pressure by adjusting the volume of fluids in the body and releasing the enzyme renin, which helps regulate blood pressure. They also contribute to red blood cell production by releasing a hormone called erythropoietin, which stimulates the bone marrow to produce red blood cells when oxygen levels in the body are low. The kidneys even help to activate vitamin D, important for calcium absorption and bone health. So, your kidneys are crucial for multiple body functions, and taking care of them has to be a top priority. Kidney issues can develop silently over time, often without noticeable symptoms until the damage is severe. However, there are a few warning signs you should be aware of. One of the earliest signs is swelling, particularly in the legs, ankles, or feet. This happens because the kidneys aren't effectively removing excess fluids, causing liquid accumulation in the body. Another common symptom, when the kidneys are not functioning properly, is fatigue, which results from a buildup of toxins in the bloodstream. This can also lead to shortness of breath and general weakness. Changes in urination patterns are another key indicator. This can include increased or decreased frequency, dark or foamy urine, or blood in the urine. Persistent lower back pain, particularly on the sides of the body where the kidneys are located, can be another red flag. High blood pressure is also closely linked to kidney issues, as the kidneys regulate blood pressure, and any dysfunction can cause hypertension. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to check with your doctor. Early detection can prevent further kidney damage and support long-term health. What is the best food for your kidneys? Now, let's talk about the star of the show. Bok choy, also known as Chinese cabbage, is a member of the cruciferous vegetable family, which includes broccoli, kale, and cauliflower. It's a leafy green vegetable that is packed with nutrients and offers numerous health benefits, particularly for the kidneys. Bok choy is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals that support overall health. It's low in calories, making it an ideal food for those looking to maintain a healthy weight, which is important for kidney health. One of bok choy's standout features is its potassium content. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals. For the kidneys, potassium plays a key role in managing fluid levels and ensuring that waste products are properly filtered from the blood. Unlike some vegetables that are extremely high in potassium and can overload the kidneys, bok choy provides a good amount, making it a kidney-friendly option. Maintaining balanced potassium levels helps prevent kidney stones and reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease. Bok choy is also rich in magnesium, another mineral that supports kidney function. Magnesium helps regulate blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and ensure that the muscles and nerves function properly. For people with kidney disease, maintaining proper magnesium levels is important, as kidney damage can lead to magnesium imbalances. Bok choy provides a natural and gentle source of magnesium, making it a great choice for people looking to support their kidney health without overloading their system. Another of the greatest advantages of bok choy is that it is low in oxalates. Oxalates are naturally occurring compounds found in many plant-based foods, but they can bind with calcium in the body to form kidney stones. High oxalate foods, such as spinach and rhubarb, can increase the risk of kidney stones, especially for individuals who are prone to them. Since bok choy is low in oxalates, it provides all the benefits of leafy greens without the risk of contributing to stone formation. This makes it an excellent option for anyone looking to protect their kidneys from oxalate buildup. Excessive protein intake can strain the kidneys in people who already have kidney issues. High-protein diets can lead to the overproduction of waste products like urea, which the kidneys must filter out. Bok choy has a naturally low protein content, making it an ideal choice for those needing to monitor their protein intake. It allows individuals to enjoy a nutrient-dense vegetable without worrying about putting extra stress on their kidneys. This is particularly important for people with chronic kidney disease, where a lower to moderate protein diet is often recommended to preserve kidney function. The 2 extra foods to support your kidneys. In addition to bok choy, apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is another powerful ingredient known for its kidney protective properties. ACV contains acetic acid, which helps dissolve kidney stones and improve kidney function by flushing out toxins. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing kidney damage in individuals with diabetes. When combined with bok choy, ACV can enhance the body's ability to detoxify and support kidney health. Adding a small amount of ACV to your meals or water is an easy way to boost your kidney protective efforts. Also, to further enhance the kidney protective benefits of bok choy, mixing it with celery juice can be a game changer. Celery juice is well known for its ability to reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and flush toxins from the kidneys. It contains a variety of antioxidants and minerals, such as potassium and sodium, that help maintain the kidney's fluid balance. When paired with bok choy, celery juice can provide a powerful 1-2 punch in supporting kidney health, and this combination not only helps detoxify the kidneys, but also aids in preventing the formation of kidney stones and reducing overall inflammation. In conclusion, the kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining overall health by filtering waste, regulating electrolyte balance, and managing blood pressure. However, kidney problems can develop silently, with symptoms like swelling, fatigue, changes in urination, and high blood pressure serving as warning signs. Bok choy, a nutrient-dense cruciferous vegetable, emerges as the best food for kidney health. Rich in potassium and magnesium, bok choy supports fluid balance and reduces inflammation without overloading the kidneys. Its low oxalate and protein content make it ideal for preventing kidney stones and reducing strain on the kidneys. Additionally, pairing bok choy with apple cider vinegar and celery juice further enhances its kidney protective effects, offering a general approach to supporting kidney function and overall health. And thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.